So you guys, let's have a look inside my refrigerator, and it's gonna be kind of a grocery haul. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, water, bread, snacks, chips, grits, noodles, ranch, cornbread, fruit. Y'all know what that is: ketchup, mustard, vegetable oil, spaghetti sauce, flour, sugar, seasoning, cake mix, cake frosting, syrup, popcorn, some more canned goods, M&Ms, and I got some seasoning up there, and rice. On top of the freezer is cereal, my baby's milk. Take a look inside of the freezer. We got Stouffer's, pizza, ground beef, Michelinis, pancake on a stick, French toast, bacon. These are ice cream cones. That's chicken breast, more ground beef. These are pork chops. These are chicken drumsticks, and these are ribs. And this is broccoli. In the refrigerator, cheese, mayonnaise, ranch, ketchup, juice, milk, more juice, grapes, hot dogs, sausage, butter, sandwich meat, and peppers. Oh yeah, and eggs. Eggs are down there. So yeah, guys, that's all for this grocery haul, and I will be talking to you guys later. Please comment, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And please tell me what you guys want to see next. Please leave it down below in the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye.